Hello viewers, tutorial 9 question 8. Find the equation of the tangent to the given functions at the given points. So a tangent line goes through the same point as the function itself. It's a straight line that has the same gradient as the function. So it's a tangent to the curve. So in order to work out the equation of the tangent, it's a straight line. It needs to have the form y equals mx plus c, which you should recognise as the form of the equation of a straight line. Y equals some number times x plus some number. So in this case, we know that it goes through the point 2 and negative 8, which will give us some information that we need to find c. But first we need to find m, which is obtained by differentiating the function and substituting in the given value of x. So we first need to differentiate the function. If we differentiate x to the 4 minus 17x plus 10, we get 4x to the power of 3 minus 17. So we need to substitute that into x equals 2 into that derivative. So that will give you 4 times 2 cubed, which is 4 times 8 is 32, minus 17 is 15. Okay, so we know that y is negative 8 when x equals 2. We know what m is, so we've got y, m and x. That means that we've got enough information to substitute in to find c. So substitute what we know into y equals mx plus c. Y is negative 8 is 15 times x is 2 plus c, so therefore we get negative 8 equals 30 plus c, and therefore c equals negative 38. So your equation there is y equals m, we found to be 15, x minus 38 is the equation to the required tangent line. Now part B, we only have an x coordinate, so we'll need to find a y coordinate, but we'll get m first. So if we differentiate this thing, we need to find y dash. So how do we differentiate a log? We need to use the chain rule, but we'll do it the quick way. So what goes in the bracket is on the bottom, 5 minus e to the x. And differentiate that. 5 is a constant, so it differentiates to 0. Minus e to the power of x differentiates to itself. So we want to find y dash of ln of 4. So we get negative e to the ln of 4 over 5 minus e to the ln of 4. Okay, so ln of 4, e to the ln of 4, e and ln cancel to just leave you with 4, so we've got minus 4 over 5 minus the same thing happens here, which is going to be 5 minus 4, which gives us minus 4 over 1, which gives us negative 4. So we get m equals negative 4. Okay, so we need to find the y coordinate, so we're substituting in log of 4 into the original function, y of ln of 4, so we're substituting log 4 into ln of 5 minus e to the x, so x is log 4. Same thing happened here as happened before, so this is 4, e to the ln of 4 is 4, 5 minus 4 is 1, so we've got ln of 1, which is 0. So we know y, we know x is ln of 4, we know m is negative 4. We can now use y equals mx plus c. Okay, so what do we know? We know that y equals 0 equals m, which was negative 4 times ln of 4 plus c. So therefore we can say that c is 4 ln of 4, which calculates to 5.545, and therefore your tangent line has equation y equals m was negative 4, x plus 5.545. Okay, so that's B. And question C, we've got one more to do. We've got to find the equation of the tangent to y equals x to the power of 3 plus 9x squared plus 27x plus 27 at the point where x equals negative 3. So first we need to differentiate. So the derivative is 3x squared plus 9x squared differentiates to 18x, and 27x differentiates to 27. So now we need to find the gradient, which is y dash of substitute in the x value, which is negative 3, and we get negative 3 squared times 3 plus 18 times negative 3 plus 27. So we've got negative 3 squared is 9, times 3 is 27, plus 27 is 54, and 18 times negative 3 is negative 54. So we've got 54 minus 54, whole thing is 0. Okay, so we also need to work out what y is. So y of negative 3 is, substituting negative 3 into the original, we get negative 3 to the power of 3 plus 9 times negative 3 squared plus 27 times negative 3 plus 27. So negative 3 cubed is negative 27, plus this 27 is going to cancel out, so that leaves only what's in the middle here. Negative 3 squared is 9, times 9 is 81, and 27 times negative 3 is negative 81. These two cancel in the middle, so we get 0. Okay, so we're ready to use y equals mx plus c. So y, we just found y to be 0, equals m is 0, times x is negative 3 plus c. So we've got 0 is y, mx is 0 plus c, that tells us that c is 0. So your equation is y equals m, which was 0, x plus 0, and that reduces down to y equals 0. Okay, thanks for watching. Over and out.